And tandaan nyo, there is no such thing as bad publicity.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Publicity is always publicity. Bad or good, it's still publicity.
You're still getting your name out there.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And
Look what
gumana siya.
Harvey, ano yun? Si Harvey, yung black guy, yung pangalan nun?
Steve Harvey.
Diba? Nagkamali siya ng sobra, and then people condemned him, pero the next year he came back.
Hindi, isipin mo yung one of the most public stunts ever done. Kim Kardashian.
Yeah.
But ano siya ngayon?
Billionaire.
Billionaire na siya ngayon.
Billionaire.
So that was bad publicity. That was really bad publicity. But, you know.
It worked!
It worked really good.
Oh, Bill, kailangan ka maglalabas ng ng
When's your
Pinoy.
cake?